What's going on, pros? This is Mike with another dirty promotions video. We're gonna do a windshield heat shrink, cut, and application. Hope you enjoy it. And of course my pal is gonna be applying a car over there on that bay, so all good action today. I'm just glad maybe to get some good videos going. All right. Nice truck. This is a Mercedes-Benz windshield, and we're gonna go ahead and do air 80 on the windshield. Been doing this film for a long time. I like the fact that it's 80% VLT, not 70 like many Mannies sell. I don't want to get into trouble with installing some illegal stuff. All right, we're good there. Nice. Okay, put this guy aside. Alright, be out there. Get past. Badass. These are dirty blades. I'm using them because a lot of people say that they're a little bit hard to use and stuff, so when it's like that's all you use, like me, it becomes kind of easy to use them. Okay, get this guy in the road. All right. Dirty sauce, dirty shrinks, and of course great film helps a good shrink. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. All the YouTube viewers from around the world, thank you for watching. I want to bring a lot of good content for you so that, you know, if you don't have window tint forums, you can kind of like ask questions. Just do it from here. Inbox me and I'll help you with whatever. I normally have videos on a bunch of stuff. If there is something you want to share, ask, discuss, we can do it, man. I'll do a video just specifically just for you, for sure. Don't be afraid, don't be shy. Just ask me, hey Dirty, how about this, a video on this or that? We'll do it. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and do a Cali roll. I don't think I'll have enough time in this video to show the roll, but just follow this same video, the sequence of this Mercedes Benz, and you'll see the video right now via me applying it. So if we're getting to too many minutes, it's gonna split it into two videos. I'd rather just make two videos myself. So having said that, let's go ahead and stop the video and we'll finish the install with a Cali roll on the inside. All right, talk to you in a little bit. GoPro, stop recording.